Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. In today's video, we will be welcoming a new Bringadi product into Kama Ayurveda's family. Yes, as we all know, they have a lot of Bringadi products and this one is a recently launched one. But this is for the hair. This is a pre-wash hair mask and it is known as Bringadi Kesh Lepam. Now, the ingredients that are present in it is, of course, Bhringraj, that is the star ingredient. It also contains gooseberries like rice, lavender essential oil and rosemary essential oil. It claims that it helps in reducing hair fall, it helps in reducing dandruff, it also promotes or improves your blood circulation, which, I mean, any product massage into your scalp does help promote or increase blood circulation, so that it also helps in conditioning your hair. Now for a price point, it is priced at 750 rupees for 80 grams of product. There is also an option to buy a 200 grams of product which is priced at 1650. Yes, 1650, that is 200 grams. Now this is a plastic bottle. It comes in a reusable bottle like any other Kama products. The bottle is a little confusing at first when you see this. Like, I thought it comes in a dropper form, but it's just any other normal bottle. The product is it's actually thick and it's not at all runny.
So you take an appropriate amount according to your hair length and apply it to dry hair and scalp from root to tip. Just keep massaging it gently for around 1 to 2 minutes and leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It is easy to apply, it does not get messy. I make sure I apply to my ends generously because that's where, you generally need more nourishment. Its major purpose is to reduce hair fall and dandruff. I currently do not have dandruff, so I cannot say much about that.
So now time for final thoughts, what I actually think about this product. I love the fact that it is easy to wash off. At times I've noticed with hair mask that it's either it gets very lumpy in the hair and is very difficult to remove, or after your hair wash your hair is still greasy. So nothing happens with this product. Then another thing I do not like is the product smell. If you apply a hair mask or something, the smell still lingers around in the hair after the hair wash as well. With this, I do not have to worry about that as well. Then in terms of a difference, I did not see a difference. I did not see a drastic change as such, but I did notice. So I don't feel like my hair was dull and dead. It did do something to my hair, probably added a shine. So that's what I noticed. Lastly, what I liked about this product is that it's very convenient for the people who do not have much time, who do not have time to leave any hair product for 30 minutes or overnight. They can just use this for 15 minutes, wash their hair and leave. So yeah, that if you guys are looking for a good hair mask, I have reviewed the Amrutan hair mask as well. That is also a mask to be used before your hair wash. Why don't you go check that review out as well. Now, having said that, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys have liked this review. If you guys have, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about beauty and lifestyle, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye, you guys.